Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today is we have one handset. This is A50, A Lima Polo A50. So Samsung Galaxy. This one is restart problem. You can see the phone is Samsung logo coming, and again it is be shut down. Okay. So this is the restart problem. We know that this is the problem from CPU and RAM. So totally we are making the process right now. So from starting to last we will check it out, how to reballing CPU and RAM. I hope you understand. Thank you very much watching our video. If you like, subscribe our channel and like this video and share with your all friends. Thank you very much. Okay, so in this video we are watching this A50 A50 Samsung. It's already we were removing the CPU and RAM. The problem is there, so you can see the RAM is problem before. This is the RAM, I think. This one? No, yeah, this one. You can see this is the RAM was the problem. That's why it is logo stack and boot loop also doing. You can see I already shown the videos the first time. So we are changing the RAM also. After that it will be working fine. So now we are testing. You can see, yeah. Oh yeah, it's, you can see the logo is coming over here. This is the logo. I'm charging logo. So wait, it's working fine. Now we are turn on the mobile. Oh great, alhamdulillah. So this is already turned on. You can see Samsung Galaxy A50, A50, A Lima Polo. Okay, so we are waiting for booting. It's already booting, so we close the lights for watching properly. Yeah, great. So you have to wait few minutes, I think. So we are already changing the RAM in this process. We are not reballing. Not only reballing, we are changing the RAM also, because that RAM is the problem. Oh, it's turned on. You can see. Oh yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's working. The touch also working properly. So now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything is working fine. Yes.
Very good.
Good. Password also it's working. I don't know the password. I just keep it. Yeah, it's working. Yeah,
You is magician.
yes, magician. He's saying we are a magician. Yeah, it's fully working fine. So all the data is inside because we are just remove RAM and fixing another RAM. So the data is there. So I hope in this video it will be helpful for you. Please like our channels, subscribe our channel if you are the new person, and please share this video to your all the friends and all the technicians for helping for us. So this is Mr. Shadow. You can see. Okay, thank you very much.